Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's Friday, so time for your love bite now. Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Leo gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So, Leo, let's take one angel blessing card to top the reading. Let's see how my angels are going to bless you, and then we'll start your reading, okay? So, my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Too many, but this one popped out first, so we'll take this. You get the card of the child, Leo. So maybe this is quite similar to the Fool card in the tarot, which means start seeing things with a fresh perspective. It's time to begin a brand new journey, see things with the eyes of a child, and bring some newness into your life, I think. You're being gifted something really new, and maybe a new perspective on life. So this is a lovely, lovely card to get, Leo. Stop thinking about whatever didn't work in the past, what didn't happen in the past. Start today with childlike innocence and excitement. That's what I get from it. So let's see what's happening in your love life now, Leo. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the loving support you're sending to the channel and your lovely comments and your likes. Very grateful. Thank you so much. And of course, Leo, if you're new here too, we welcome you. Oh, okay. So this card popped out too. Again, this is an Ace of Pentacles, Leo. Again, this signifies a brand new beginning, a stable, fresh new start. Goes so well with the child card, so I'm going to keep it here. So, yes, if you're new here, Leo, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, newbies, this is just a small little spread we do every Friday to check your energy, 9-card spread. Your longer readings have already been put up. I'll leave a link at the end of the video in case you've missed them. And of course, more are coming. Till then, let's see what's the message here for you. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Leo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So yes, Leo, maybe something in the past didn't work out here. I have the Six of Swords in reverse. You made a decision regarding that, about something which took a wrong direction in your life, right? So let's open the cards and see what's going on. Hermit in reverse, wonderful. Ten of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Five of Wands, ending. I love this. I mean, people complain that reversals, this, that, upside down cards. But when I see cards like this, it actually makes me so happy. Because, see, center of my spread, I have the Five of Wands in reverse, which means ending conflicts. The end of a painful chapter. Again, okay? Dropping this juggling and kind of making one decision. So these are beautiful cards to have in reverse. And even this card, which is in reverse, is the Hermit in reverse. Coming out of hermit mode. Coming out of being lonely and sad and alone. Nine of Cups, Ace of Swords, and the Judgment card. Yes, Leo, I think you're making a conscious choice now of not going back to anything that did not serve you, which did not give you happiness. You're ready for this new beginning, ready for a new start. You wanted to come out of hermit mode, leaving the past where it belongs. Now you're concentrated on your stability, on your growth, on your security, but you're being a bit careful right now. You're not going to kind of trust anything on anybody who comes into your world now. You're going to be very watchful because now you're not ready to invite in any kind of trouble into your life. You're going to be dropping people before they even begin so that, they can bring you no unhappiness. Anyone who's going to be speaking lies to you or not telling you the truth, you're going to be taking judgment calls like that. Okay, so you're totally bossing up here, Leo. Let's see. The person who's interested in you, what they would like to say to you now, or what you'd like to say to them. Leo's person and Leo spirit. Person who's interested in them now. Leo and their person spirit. One more. Okay. And let's take some messages from the heart as well. Okay. That's enough. We can begin now, Leo. I didn't think it was possible to feel this much. Thoughts of you fill my head. So, Leo, whoever's interested in you, that's what they're thinking. Okay, second card says, I hunger for your touch, your kiss, and the warmth of your body. I want and need you now. But I think you're going to be taking your time here, Leo. Even though I think you want to come out of this hermit mode, you are looking for long-term partnerships. You're not going to be trusting people that easily, from what I can see. I'm not currently feeling in the right place for a relationship right now. I do see us together in future. I believe that you're my destiny. I'm an understanding person, and I appreciate that although we are eternally connected, we need our own space. Didn't I say that, Leo? You are now focusing on yourself. You are taking your time because you don't want anybody to bring in conflict. If that means taking some time out and taking care of yourself, I think that's what you're going to be doing. I can't understand why you're not able to communicate that you simply need some time to process things. Instead, you ignore me, knowing that it hurts me more and more every time. So, Leo, you could be doing that to people. You could be doing that to people, ignoring people and not kind of dropping people from what I see. Not giving clarity, and the person who's interested in you is feeling a little ignored here. Your ego is fucking irritating me. Can't you see the value I would add to your life? If only you would let me be, we could be a strong power couple. So, yes, this person could be saying, hey, let me in, but maybe you are being a little bit, you're trying to gather information before you allow anyone into your life because of, you want to avoid conflict before it begins. I see my future with you. This person wants to tell you that. We're both awakened to this journey of unconditional love and have shared our deepest desires for future we want to build together. When we have any challenges, we should communicate about our triggers to heal in a healthy way by having honest and open communications rather than avoiding them at all costs. So there are some trust issues here with, I think, Leo, you or your cross watcher, I don't know. Somebody is very, very careful now about, I will wait for you as long as I have to. Yes, there is somebody who really loves you, Leo, who see that you are being very protective of your energy right now. But Spirit is saying, be in your childlike energy now. This is a brand new life that you've been gifted, maybe brand new journey that you're on. So don't start it with always feeling people are out to get you now. Let's clarify these cards. The Hermit Spirit, Hermit in reverse. See, you start ending an old chapter of your life, Leo, starting a brand new one. So in between, if you've been in hermit mode, it's time now to get out of that now. Ten of Swords in reverse. Yes, the ending is over already. Yes, you're starting a fresh, brand new journey here. I mean, I sound like a parrot right now by saying that, but each and every card, Leo, is suggesting the same. See? Finishing an old chapter, coming out of hermit mode, or at least that's what you should do. Have a passionate new beginning. I have 2 aces for you here already, suggesting a brand new journey. This ending has ended already. Queen of Pentacles, Spirit. Queen of Pentacles. You've come to that point, Leo, maybe that place or phase in your life where you're looking for long-term partnerships. You don't want to kind of just play around, maybe. You are not interested, they bore you now. Maybe you have a lot of offers coming towards you, but I think I see you rejecting all of them because somewhere deep in your heart, Leo, you're waiting for your perfect partner. You don't trust any of these cups coming towards you. You're saying, hey, I'm not interested in fooling around or playing around or passing time. I'm focusing on myself. And if I do have to partner up with somebody now, it's going to be for the long haul. I want to see some future if I do invest my time into a connection. So I'm going to wait for that perfect person to come in. Page of Swords, Spirit. Page of Swords. Yeah, you, I think, are being a little... You want to check up on everybody now. This is that spy card, right? I'm going to check on you. I'm going to find out information about you before I decide whether you are my cup or not. You're not interested in all these 7 cups coming towards you. You don't want options in your life. So you want to really kind of get full information, choose that one cup that's going to benefit you for the long term. 5 of Wands, Spirit. 5 of Wands. 5 of Wands. I think, Leo, what you're looking for is... you don't want conflict, okay? So before you get an inclination that any person coming towards you can create conflict in your life, I think you are releasing them before they can even come towards you. You're looking for romance. If this is a fresh new beginning that you're having, you're looking for romance, you're looking for love, you're looking for everything. You want to, if you're going to start from scratch, you might as well start out and have the best of the best, right? So yes, you don't want to be juggled, you don't want to be played around with. You are waiting for that romance of a lifetime. Yes, till then, I think, Leo, you're dropping people left, right and center, not even giving them any explanation as to why. Because maybe right now you still feel you're healing or waiting, and you're keeping this a secret. You're keeping this a secret that, hey, I'm waiting for that perfect cup to come towards me, which will be like divinely guided towards me. Anybody who's going to juggle me or trouble me or create conflict around them, I'm dropping them before they can even begin. Being a little over careful, as I can see, and I can understand, because in the past, yes, something did kind of hurt you. It went the opposite way from what you expected. 9 of Cups. 9 of Cups. I think, Leo, anybody who's coming towards you with only passion is not making you happy. You are not interested. Again, the Chariot in reverse, Knight of Pentacles, again stagnation. All these offers don't excite you anymore. Anything that's only going to bring you passion and nothing else. I think you're looking for romance, to begin with at least, romance and then passion. Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. Judgment. Judgment. It's the same message, Leo. You don't want to work on anything that's going to be untrue. Okay, you're not ready to accept anybody's little offers here. You don't want any conflict. Same cards keep popping up again and again. Any conflict which is going to make you feel a sense of loss of love. I think you're not ready to entertain anyone who's going to bring any kind of unrest or problems in your life. Yes, you are passing judgment on people before they even come towards you now, Leo. And you're trying to listen to before you come out of this resting mode that you've put yourself in. You are going within, you're listening to your intuition, and yes, you will start this brand new journey here. Page of Wands is, starting a creative new journey, but you are being a little, very, very careful. That's all I can say here. So what's the tea then, Spirit? Yeah, that you're going to take a little bit of time. You're not ready to invest in anything that's not going to grow, Leo. So this ending has happened, but you're still holding on to a little bit of that pain. You have a fear of change. So you're holding on to the sadness of the past right now, and maybe judging new people who are coming your way right now, because you don't want to end this. You don't want to end the past pain because you feel the new thing is going to give you pain as well, right? So you feel the longer you can hold on to that, you don't have to start a new journey, right? But I think what Spirit is urging you, whether you like it or not, Leo, it's coming. You've already begun. You've already been reborn here. You have to start this brand new beginning. Your new has already begun. The Ten of Swords, if this was upright, I would have said, yes, you've been betrayed, you're hurt, you're healing. But this is also in reverse. Now your healing is almost over as well. You have to pick up that courage to kind of start this new journey now. Okay? So don't worry too much about it. That's all I can say. Be like that child and kind of take one day at a time. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.